this video, we will show you how to pack the E5 for service returns or prolonged storage. Use the original packing set and transport lock for packaging the machine. Spare parts are available from customer service. Open the working chamber door. Loosen the two fixing screws at the blank holder without unscrewing them. If there is a disc or block holder in the blank holder, remove it. Orientate the spindle lock as shown. Insert the spindle lock into the blank holder from above. Tighten the fixing screws with the provided 1.5 Nm torque screwdriver. Close the working chamber door. Open the machine maintenance section in Dental CNC and move the spindle into the transport lock. Open the working chamber door. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Attach the three working chamber door stoppers to the left, top and right side of the working chamber door. They must prevent the working chamber door from becoming locked when it is moved into the lower position. To test this, move the door into the lower position and try to open it again. If you cannot open the door, use the emergency release mechanism and readjust the working chamber door stoppers. Have the 5 parts of the transport lock ready. Notice: damaging of the AB axis module and the spindle when rotating the AB axis module. Install the left part of the transport lock below the AB axis module. For this, tilt the part inwards and do not rotate the AB axis module. Install the right part in the same way. Push one of the accessory boxes between the left and the right part of the transport lock. Note that you don't need to include any accessories unless customer service asked you to include them. Place the second accessory box on top of the first one. Push the last part of the transport lock between the top accessory box and the AB axis module. Move the working chamber door into the lower position. Pull the housing protection cover over the machine. Put the carton on a suitable surface near the machine that can carry the weight of the machine and the packing set. The flaps on the front side, which is labeled with "Open Here" on the outer flap, must be open. If possible, the rear side of the carton should touch a solid wall. Place the carton insert in front of the carton with the handle on the opposite side of the opening of the carton. Spread out the transport protection cover on the insert with the opening facing upwards. The shape of the opening must follow the shape of the insert. Place the lower padding in the cover as shown. Make sure that the top of the padding is exposed. Insert the cardboard piece into the center of the lower padding. Grasp the machine by the left and right handles at the bottom of the machine with 2 people. Lift the machine of the table. Place the machine in the lower padding with the rear side facing the opening of the carton. The recessed grips in the lower padding provide room for your hands. Place the upper padding onto the machine. Pull the transport protection cover over the machine and pull it up on all sides until the ends meet in front of the working chamber door. Tape the ends together. If the rear side of the carton doesn't touch a solid wall, have a person support the carton. Push the machine including the insert into the carton. Make sure that the machine doesn't slide off the insert. Close the flaps. Tape the flaps together. To carry the machine, grasp the carton by the left and right handle with 2 people. To ship the machine with a transport company, lift it onto a pallet. Take the stored edge protection brackets and spread them along the edges. Fasten the carton to the pallet with 2 supplied strapping bands from the accessories case. Your machine is now ready for transport or storage. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.